Hello my dear students. Today in this video we will do revision of chapter 1 Food, where does it comes from. Our first chapter is Food, where does it comes from. What did you eat at home today? Find out what your friends ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at the different time. We have different varieties of the food and we eat different dishes every day. So, food varieties. Like we have the food varieties depends on the areas. Like if we move to south, the peoples of south they used to eat idli, sambar or dosa. If we move to Bengal side, the peoples of Bengal they used to eat fish curry and rice. Punjab side, Punjabis or the Sikhs they used to eat rajma rice. So we have different varieties of the food. Same way, if we want to prepare the different dishes, we need some materials to prepare it. And that materials like spices or the vegetables we use, the salt or the water, all these to are known as the ingredients. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients to prepare vegetable curry. We need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so on. Here, a table is given 1.2. From this, you can understand the ingredients that we require to prepare. Like if we want to prepare roti or the chapati, we need atta and water. If we want to prepare dal, we need pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, or other spices. So all these are the ingredients. What do we find? Do we find some ingredients common for different food items discussed in class? We have, yes, of course, some of the ingredients are common in all the dishes. Okay. So where do these ingredients comes from? So the ingredients or the materials we are using to prepare dishes, where does it comes from? Food materials and the sources. Generally there are two sources. One is the plant and another is the animal. From plant we get vegetables or the grain, the pulses. We have seen the paddy fields which are, and the rows of the plant. From that plants we get grains and other things like vegetables also. And from the animals we get egg, meat, milk, and fish also we are getting. Okay, so here is the table 1.3 ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. To prepare idli we need rice, urad dal, salt, water, and the sources of it is plant. To prepare chicken curry we need chicken, spices, oil or ghee, and water, and the sources is plant and animals. To prepare a kheer we need milk, rice, and sugar, and the sources of it is animal and plants. So we have different varieties of the food and the sources of that food items or the materials that are used to prepare the any food dishes, and there are generally two sources, one is the plant and the animal. So now what do we concluded from the activity 3? Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Animals provide us with milk, meat products, and egg. Cows, goat, and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese, and curds are used all over the world. Can you name some other animals which give us milk? Okay, so Plant parts and animal products as food. Plants are one of the main source for our food, which and we used to eat different parts of the plants. So, and the parts of the plants which we use for food or to eat are known as the edible parts of the plant. Some plants have two or more edible parts. Seed of mustard plants give us oil, and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Can you think of the different parts of the banana plant that are used as food? Think more examples where two or more parts of the single plants are used as food. So a table is here 1.4 plant parts as food, like brinjal curry. If you want to make a brinjal curry, the ingredients is brinjal, chili as spices, oil from groundnut, mustard, soya bean, any other plant. And the ingredients, the plant parts which gives us ingredients is fruit and seed. Now the activity 4 is here. From all the food items you have listed in table 1.3, choose those items whose ingredients are obtained from plants. Which part of a plant? Identify these and list the food items and plant part as shown in table 1.4. Another activity is there, activity 5. In this you will know how to make a sprouts of a pulses. Here are the examples of two. One is the moong dal and another one is the chana. To prepare a How to prepare a sprouts? First we have to soak a pulse for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, after that drain it and cover it with a cotton cloth and leave it for a night. Means leave it for one night, and in the next morning you can see the white structure may have grown out of the seeds. If so, the seed have sprouted. If not, then wash it and do the same process again. After washing these sprout seeds, you can eat them. They can also be boiled and some spices and get the tasty snacks to eat. Do you know where honey comes from? How it is produced? Have you seen the beehives where so many bees keeps buzzing about? Bees collect nectar. Nectars are the sweet juice which the bees collect from the flowers, and they convert into an honey, and we after that we collect it from the beehives. What do animals eat? You will then surely be aware of the food the animals eat. What about other animals? We have different animals around us and they used to eat different things, and their habits are different according to foods. The animals which eat the herbs are known as the herbivores. Okay, and the animals, those who eat the flesh or the other animals are known as the carnivores. And some of the animals they used to eat both things, the plants or the herbs we can say, and the flesh or the other animals. They are known as the omnivores. In table 1.6 you can see the herbivores, the carnivore and the omnivore column. Now you can fill it. Okay, the according to the animals, those who eat herbs, or the carnivores those who eat animals, and omnivores are those who eat the flesh and the herbs both. 1.5 table is here, animal and their food. According to the names of the animal has been given here, and their food habits or the food that they used to eat. You can fill it with the help of pencil only in your book. So in this chapter we have learned so many things, means the food items and the animals, the habits or the what they eat, okay, and the names of the animals or what we call them, and different varieties of the food items we have studied, the ingredients or the materials that we use to prepare and how we get it. So many things are this. And now here are the some keywords. Ingredients are the materials used to prepare food. Edible means the eatable thing. Nectar is the sweet flower juice. Sprout seed are the sprouted seed. When the white color structure is comes out, is known as the sprouted seed. Herbivores, those who eat herbs. Carnivores, those who eat the flesh. And the omnivores, those who eat both flesh and the plants. The questions has been given you. I think you have written the answers also of it, and hope this chapter has been clear to you, because we have done the revision part also today. And again, if you have any doubt, you can ask me again, okay, and revise it one more time. So thank you. Next time we will do revision of chapter 2, that is components of food.